Well, here it is, completely uncovered. And it is as simple as pressing this button once for it to come on. It's obviously shipped with less than a full battery per US regulations, postal regulations, and shipping regulations. You can see the USB ports, three USB-A ports, one high power, two USB-C ports, an old school but extremely versatile and handy output port, cigarette lighter adapter port that you can open. Handy separate power switch for that. And count them, 6 AC plugs. Nice, very nice. Now, as with most units of this type, I will not attempt to put any significant load on it before fully charging the battery. And this is to protect the battery. I think it will get much, the literature that most manufacturers publish about battery maintenance is that when you first receive the unit, you fully charge it, and that should help prolong the life of the battery. So that's what I will do. Here's another. Okay. There's the AC input. There's a switch for an overload trip circuit. DC input. That's probably for the PV inputs. One of the things I like about this unit, and it shares this capability with the 500, is that it can be put in parallel using a special adapter box that's available for sale for purchase separately, that will combine 2 units in parallel for just under slightly less than twice the power. The Power Station 500 will combine and give you single phase output at just under twice the wattage of 1. The 1000 unit goes even further, and you can get an adapter that will give you either single phase or split phase output at just under slightly twice the wattage of 1. Very, very versatile, and in the case that you might someday need or want 240 volts, single or split phase, that will come in awfully handy.